Hi, welcome to our Seaside friends. So we have dolphins, we have Sammy seal, and here we have our glorious puffin in the centre. These were originally designed as beginner projects. Let me explain. So you cut all your pieces out, you join two squares together, join those two squares to the centre square, and the same at this side. Make a row of 4 squares, that's your top and your bottom, and then if I flip it over, the back is all squares. Now we've used the same fabrics for all 3 of these cushions, we've just placed them in a different order. So you're just joining 4 rows together here. Great project for using up bits that you've got left. You can change the sizes and do whatever you want. The appliqué is extremely simple. We've used fusible web, and where it gets technical for his beak here, we've cut 1 large piece of orange, then we've put 1 piece of solid yellow on top, and then a smaller piece of this kind of aqua colour there, rather than fiddling about with really tiny pieces. His eye is simply stitched on, as it was a bit too difficult to applique, and that's him. The seal here, he's done all in 1 piece, and then we've stitched this detail on. His face is what makes him. And the dolphins, even more simple. So you can just do 1 large piece of the darker blue with a smaller lighter blue on top, and then his fin there stitched in silver just gives the impression of the water rolling off him. So if you like our Seaside friends, I think you're going to find them really easy.